Ram Janmabhoomi Trust today showcased the construction site in Temple Town, Ayodhya, where a Ram temple is being built and is expected to be ready by December 2023, months before the Lok Sabha election. The trust says that phase 1 of the construction is almost over and that the construction will meet deadlines.
Well, so the Ram Temple Trust has chosen a day of blinding rain to give us access to the site where the temple is being constructed in Ayodhya, which is about 100 kilometers from Lucknow. Rajesh is giving you a few shots right now. This huge area that you see has got a lot of concrete, basically about 47 layers of concrete. A 48th layer will be put up very, very soon. And then you will have other construction take place over and above what has already been done here. Now, what the engineers here say is that they had to dig deep into the ground here so that they could locate a stable soil that they could then fill up with concrete and then carry out other phases of the construction. What the Temple Trust is saying is that they have finished or almost finished phase 1 of the temple construction. I'm sure you can see that flag over there. Now, that is the place where Prime Minister Modi last year carried out the Bhumi Pujan of the Ram temple, and that is where the idol of Lord Ram will be established. Beyond that, this entire area that you see is where the temple will be constructed. Like I said, the trust is saying that the first phase of the temple construction is almost over, but there are of course many other stages to go. There are much more to be done here. The trust has said that they plan to open the temple for devotees by December 2023, which interestingly of course will be just months before the Lok Sabha election. So this is the site over here. This is the first time that media persons have been allowed to come here and shoot like this. But like I said, I'll just give you a sweep again. It's heavy rain today, blinding rain today, and that's why you don't see too much construction work happening. But I do see a few JCBs, other earth moving machines here. And that is because the construction is happening at a fast pace. What the trust, like I said, is saying is that they are sticking to deadlines and that this temple will be ready before the 2024 Lok Sabha polls by December 2023.
भराई हमने किया था इंजीनियर्ड फिल से। इंजीनियर्ड फिल मतलब गिट्टी और हल्का सा सीमेंट और कम पानी का एक मिक्सर बनाया था और उससे हम लोग भरते हुए ऊपर तक आए हैं, जो कि टोटल 48 लेयर में इसको हम ऊपर आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे। उसके बाद में हम लोग उसके ऊपर में एक रिच कंक्रीट का एक लेयर डालेंगे जिसको राफ्ट बोलते हैं। वो 1.5 मीटर थिकनेस का आएगा और वो होने के बाद में हम लोग उसके ऊपर में 6 से 7 मीटर तक प्लिंथ को मिर्ज़ापुर और ग्रेनाइट पत्थर से बिल्टअप करते हुए ऊपर तक जाएंगे। वो आपके सामने यहाँ पे ये सारे ब्लॉक पड़े हैं, तो ऐसे करीबन 30,000 ब्लॉक हम लोग लगाएंगे और वहाँ पे आके मंदिर का बेस बनेगा। वहाँ से मंदिर के कॉलम का निर्माण चालू होगा और वो 161 फीट ऊपर जाएंगे पूरा मंदिर का निर्माण कार्य ख़त्म करने के।